This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 10: Speaking in Groups. The video begins by introducing the importance of understanding how groups function and the behavior of people within them. It delves into communication patterns in groups, potential issues that may arise, and how effective communication can make groups successful, an art form in itself. Groups are defined as organized structures composed of individuals with a common purpose, interdependence, and division of labor. Members are aware of one another and communicate to achieve their shared goal. Group communication involves everyday interactions and relationships, which play a crucial role in a group's functioning. Conflicts within groups should be seen as clashes of ideas, not personal battles. While conflicts within groups can lead to better ideas if handled positively through understanding, group effectiveness requires setting agendas, analyzing problems, assessing goals, and exploring alternatives. For effective decision making, members should be like-minded with good communication and relationships. Smaller groups are easier to manage, but larger groups can be challenging if members lack understanding. Effective group members offer advice, knowledge support, and help through open communication and sharing. Group progression proceeds through stages of orientation, where members understand the group's purpose and get acquainted with one another. Conflict arises as members argue about approaches, but this can generate good ideas. Emergence occurs when consensus starts forming and the group moves towards agreement. Reinforcement consolidates this consensus to complete the task, guided by effective communication. Effective group speaking requires understanding each member's style and preferences. Forming groups with like-minded people, open communication, and shared enthusiasm is essential. Patience, respecting others' views, and attempting to convince through reasoning leads to group success. Communication ability, speaking tactfully without embarrassment, is key for group functioning. For groups to work, members must be able to look past superficial differences and prejudices. Communication is crucial, whether it's for group dynamics or leadership qualities. Using simple courtesies like greetings, thanks, and praise can foster better relationships. We must control our tongue, as words spoken cannot be taken back and can damage relationships. Words have power, so we should use appropriate, measured language and control aggression. Developing effective communication skills is an art that can minimize problems in groups. In summary, groups require shared purpose, interdependence, and communication. Conflicts can lead to better ideas if handled with understanding. Effective groups have shared goals, communication, and relationships. Group progression involves stages like orientation and consensus communication style. Patience and respect aid group functioning. Developing communication skills minimizes group issues. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.